guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the Jordan Zion 1. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, we want to see those likes. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment thrown our way. And as always, I want to thank all our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we aren't able to do this. Let's get into it. So today, we've got a really dope look at this Jordan Zion 1. And congratulations. I know you're not watching this, but on the off chance you are, well done, Zion. You've done it, mate. Honestly, you've got your first Jordan silhouette, and I thought Luka would be the first one, but it's Zion. So well done to Zion. And before we get into the little specs, let's just have a look at this box. So you've got at the top here, Zion Williamson, Jumpman, and you've got Zion's logo. It's got his name. I like this, the black and white split. You'll see his sneaker when we do the unboxing, you'll understand. But it's really dope. And yeah, let's get into the specs. So today, we've got a look at the Jordan Zion 1 in a black metallic gold white colorway. And we got this in a UK size 7.5, it's a US 8.5, and it's a European 42. And I can't believe that Zion has his own tissue paper as well. That's pretty dope. There it is. Yeah, they look quite dope, but I'm not the biggest fan of the materials used on the upper, and I'll tell the reasons why after we look at the outsole. So this outsole is a all rubber outsole. It's very translucent. You've got the icy blue finish, multi-directional tractions. Obviously, it's basketball. You need to stop and do those explosive movements. Moving along on to the midsole unit. So this midsole is an injected foam. There's no air, but there is a air strobel unit that's underneath the insole. So it's just for your, basically it's just underneath for your underfoot to make it feel like you're walking on clouds. There is a Zoom Air unit, and that is at the forefoot, and that makes up all the Zoom technology. There is no blatant air in the sneaker, but there is a Zoom unit, hence why it's Jordan Zoom. Moving along into the upper now, this is where, I love the design. Don't get me wrong, this is really dope. Colorway is really cool. It's just the materials that's used. It feels like it's not supportive of a player of Zion's playing style, his position. We've seen it before, how he played in college. He's very explosive. He's a powerhouse. He's like a more lean Charles Barkley. And the problem is, completely blew out the Paul George sneakers that he was wearing up for the life of me. I can't remember what silhouette it was, but it was a pair of Nike PGs. And there was that game where he completely blew out the upper, and that's what got him injured. So I don't know what Nike were thinking, or Jordan brand were thinking, making it with very flimsy textile materials. This whole upper is all textiles. You can see the plastics that are heat pressed on the toe box area. As we move along on to the middle of the sneaker, as well, on both the lateral and the medial side, you got the heat plastics here with the gloss finish. This ripstop kind of material that's on the interior and the medial side, and again you can see it a bit on the lateral. And we go along onto the back, so you've got again this very thin plastic that's holding it down. That's meant to be supporting the back of your foot, apparently. Moving along onto the laces. So you got a typical lace unit here, flat laces, and along with the tongue. So you've got two bits of branding. So you've got the ZW for Zion Williamson, and you've got the Jumpman logo in this metallic gold colorway. You can also see it at the bottom here as well. Pow, the Jumpman logo. Again, let's go back to the heel. So you got the Zion's logo here. It's his name, just spelled out in a really cool thunderbolt kind of wording, play on the shape. And pull tabs. At the ankle support, you've got a lot of writing that says Zion, which is really cool to see. It's very nicely padded as well. Again, going back to the tongue, it's a bit padded. It's just on certain areas, so you can see it at the top here. And if you look at the back, it's just at those areas, unfortunately. So I can't wait to try these bad boys on. This is Jordan Brand's newest athlete, you know, as it says on the medial side of the sneakers. You can barely see it here on the translucent blue, but it says let's dance, and like Zion, shock the world, which is what Zion's meant to be doing. Before we get into the on feet section, I just want to mention that this sneaker is quite wide, as you can see with the midsoles just sticking out a bit more, and that is there for your stability. Obviously Zion is a powerhouse when he plays. It's explosive. It's there for his stability, as well as the shape of this outsole. It's a very curved, you know, it's there to support Zion there when he takes off and when he lands. So that's really good there for the shock absorption as well. With all that said, I can't wait to try these on, and like Zion, you can barely see it, but let's dance and let's shock the world. It says it right there in that translucent blue. So roll that footage of me trying these on. When it comes to the fit, guys, I do recommend that you get your true to size fit. Maybe there are some basketball players that try and get a half size smaller. That's just to make it more locked down for your foot. But personally, I like a little bit of space. In regards to the comfort, I really like this. I can feel the Air Strobel unit. I can't really feel the Zoom Air at the forefoot, but it is relatively comfortable. But I'm not like Zion. You know, I'm not very explosive. I'm a shooter. I don't try and penetrate the paint at all. So I'm not going to be worried about breaking these. But I really am worried about Zion breaking these. So Zion, if you're watching this again, be safe. But I'm going to round it off there. Really nice sneaker. Well done, Zion, for getting your first sneaker with Jordan Brand. And let's give you that 360. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. Until next time, peace.